Hey, Kevin Wilson here. Listen, let me tell you something. The secret to playing a quartet drive, is being able to play that train. You got to be able to move that train. If you can't move the train, you can't play a drive. If you can't, listen, that is moving the train. You don't even have to have a drummer. We want a drummer, but you don't have to have one if you can move that train. And that is it. You have that train moving, boy, something's gonna happen up in there. Something's gonna happen. So, in order to play the drive, you gotta move the train. And you gotta be able to. The secret to playing the drive is moving the train. Thank you for joining me. Can't wait to see you next time. Take care.